Hey cooks, the heat is on. It's summertime. It's like 90 degrees outside. And what does that mean? It's slushy season, right? Yeah. Today we are going to make some lemonade slushies in the new VEVOR Slushy Machine. This is a single tank machine that's really easy to use. Great for the home. Coming up 4th of July celebration, right? Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. It is so hot outside, right? We need some slushies to cool ourselves off. This is slushy season, cooks. If you want a great activity for your kids, or you want to make your own drinks, right? You need a slushy machine. This one is from VEVOR. We looked at the 2-tank one. Today we're looking at the great countertop version, single tank. This machine does a lot, not just slushies. So let's get it out of the box real quick. Woo! So this is the VEVOR countertop single tank slushy machine. You can keep drinks slush for 12 hours without any dilution. So what's great is if you're having an event, maybe it's 4th of July, just keep this baby running and keep everybody filled with slushies, right? You don't need ice, you don't need salt, you don't need stirring, there's no dilution, there's one-touch frozen drinks, and there's 12 hours of slushing. What do I mean when I say you don't need ice? This has its own refrigerator in it, right? You can make slushies, these kind of adult beverages, right? You can even make little frappes. You can make all kinds of fun stuff. Let's get this baby out of the box because I want to make some slushies. Stop playing around, Amy. Even though I love unboxing stuff, I need to stop playing around. So here is some
spare parts.
Yeah. So thank you, VEVOR, for letting us try this out. There'll be links down in the description if you want to take a look at them. I think you probably should, right? It's summertime, and it's time for slushies. So this is a user guide. And you really need to keep track of this because for something to slush, it has to be a certain percentage of sugar. So we're going to be using lemonade, but we're going to be bumping that sugar up with a little simple syrup. So there's recipes for mango margaritas, 1 ingredient soda slush, really nice manuals here, and a manual for actually it tells you assembly, tons of recipes, slush mode, milkshake mode, okay, frappes, spike slushies, and here is your technical support and warranty. I think we need to make a adult beverage in here. What do you think?
I don't know. Bring it closer to me.
Ooh. Nice. Whoa. Whoa, VEVOR. This machine is major. Major. Oh, this is your little drip pan. It's not super heavy. Those 2-tanker ones are a lot heavier. Whoa! Slushy machine. It's a really good size, a countertop size. Packaging here to keep it steady in shipment. So here is our slushy machine. Here's your little drip tray. This is so easy to put together. Like, this is way easier than any other slushy machine that I've used. There's two little like ears here. You push them up and you pull the tank off and your tank is off, right? And you pull this auger out and your auger's out. And then you can clean in here. There is a gasket in here. They give you an extra gasket here. So you clean everything out. There's a drip tray down here that you just clean that out too. You want to make sure you clean that out. Then to put it back together, you just auger on, tank on, and ears down. Right? So one of the things about this machine, and like any of these self-contained refrigerator units, you need to keep them upright because it has coolant in it, right? When you first get it, unpack it, wash your tank out and everything, but leave it upright for about 2 hours before your first use so that all that refrigerant could settle down. So we're going to do that. We're going to clean this out. 2 hours from now, we're going to come back and we're going to make us some slushies. Okay, so it's been sitting for about 2-3 hours, so we're ready to go. The functions on this machine. So we have custom milkshakes, frozen juice, slushy, spiked slushy, frappe, and cold drinks. So we're just going to open this baby up. We're using some lemonade. So we're going to fill this up to the max line.
Okay.
That's 1.5. Don't overpour. I poured just short because we need the sugar content to be between 13 and 15%. I calculated it based on the sugar content in this, so I got a little simple syrup. This is half water, half sugar dissolved in there, and then I cooled it. So we're going to put about 1/4 cup. We're going to turn this on. We're going to hit slush, and we're going to start. So this thing has its own refrigerator in here, and it's going to slush up in here. We'll see how long it takes. Everything is cooled. It's really important to have everything cool because it'll slush faster. I'm so excited. We're getting ready to have lemonade slushies. So as this starts slushing, I'll let you see it. So our machine is going along here. This is amazing. So it's starting to freeze. You see the little ice crystals in there. This what distinguishes a slushy machine over using a blender, because a blender chops ice in there. This is freezing the actual liquid that you have in here. So you don't have like chopped ice. It ends up being smoother, and it is fantastic for margaritas. Look at how it's flinging around in there. The auger in there, there's a post in there, and it freezes on the post, and this thing goes around, scrapes it. So it's the actual juice freezing, and then the auger, the spinning thing, is what scrapes it down into your liquid here. So that is cool. Huh? I love it, VEVOR. This thing is awesome.
So right now we're at 29 degrees, so this would be a cold drink. If this was beer, I'd be happy.
Yeah, so it goes by the temperature. So we're slushing here.
Yeah.
So it looks like we have slushy here.
Yeah.
We got slushies! So I have a glass under here. I'm going to see if I can do this backwards. It's nice and thick. We left it in there till it was thick, 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 thick. What color straw do you want, Boo?
Surprise me.
You get purple.
Yay.
Whoa, okay.
You can put a little more in there, Amy. Look at sheep.
Slushy! We got a full-on slushy here, guys. There we go.
Hey. Spoiler alert. Tastes like lemonade,
I hope so.
except slushified.
I'll take pink. Okay, so it's time to take a taste. The fan just kicked on. So, we've got slushy. It tastes like lemonade.
The simple syrup didn't impact the flavor.
Ooh, it does taste like lemonade. Yeah, this thing is awesome.
Yeah.
Cheers, Boo. Happy summer. Thank you, VEVOR. We got some slushies here. This thing is awesome. Cold. If you need something to chill you off in the summer, this is it right here. So I'll put links down in the description. My thoughts on it are it's awesome. It's compact. It's not super loud. It's perfect if you want to make more. You take some and add some more liquid in there and just let it freeze, right? So refreshing. Slushies at home, cooks. Enjoy. Thanks for joining me.